İkincisi yeşil montlu.
Again from Antalya. This is a lovely morning. As you can see, the sun is shining and people start coming out now. And it's a beautiful morning. This is one of the square. The school, I think, is National Uprising Monument. Let me go see it. That one, I think, is that one. It's right on top of the old town, Kaleiçi. One thing is, these Turks actually have created these squares everywhere, where people can actually gather and socialize. Let's see, go from here. Just looking harbour from here. I mean, if you come to Antalya, I think visiting Old Town, I would say, is a must. It's a big contrast between the new Antalya and the old Antalya. That's the original Antalya. From here, the Antalya expanded, and if you look at that alongside the resort, it's just everywhere. You will see the high-rise block of flats. It must be probably for holiday rentals. Excuse me. And can you see the mountains? Snow-covered mountains right behind that as well, and really mountain. We had the experience to go on cable car, and the view from the top is spectacular. As the elevator, it's a similar elevator I've been to Izmir, where it's even higher. I think that is a big drop actually. Izmir is a higher, and this one is really nice view from that. I'll just go see from that, then I'll probably go around to look. This is the old mosque. I think this is about 13th century mosque, this one, which is the first minaret. I know it's not when you very mosque is difficult to speak to, but you need to be careful. Yeah, look at this. The view from here. That's Marina Old Keleici Harbour. That's the elevator which I'm coming to. From here, as you can see now, the harbour. It's a beautiful view from here. Beautiful. You can clearly see the mountains, and then all along. But this side is nothing really. I walked on the harbour up to that light coming down, whether somebody is there. I didn't go on that, but it's just stayed where the like a light is, lighthouse is, promenade or lighthouse, whatever you call it, is there. I walked it, but that day it was start raining, and I didn't enjoy much on that morning. But today I thought it's a lovely day. Right, I'll just press 0 and by myself. VIP. Yep. Yeah. Right, going out to the harbour. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Right, I'm down to the harbour. Right, going. All the boats ready for day trips, but no passenger at the moment. All the restaurants alongside the harbour ready to serve, but not much actually here. People probably just getting a plate and we had a lunch here a couple of days ago. Very nice. You can pick up fresh fish, and the way it, and then they'll charge you whatever the rate is, a different rate actually for fish. So I must say I would recommend it. It was really nice and we enjoyed it. That is a little masjid. To be honest, I didn't know that day why it was when I first came, first day, and probably I will have clips. It was totally surprise to me seeing it's, you know, it's written Arabic on that little minar on that. But then when I thought, first I thought it probably a prayer room here. But when I came, I found this one. You know, it's like the water sea level, that one. And when I went around, I thought, did they do wuzu here? But no, when I saw it, I said, it can't be wuzu place. As you can see, it's Kaleiçi. I can't read it. It's really. Oh, it's the anthem. Yeah, it's in the Murat Pasha, and this Kaleiçi coming they call masjid. And looking on this one, and these are stairs goes up. At the moment it's locked, but I'm sure it's open for prayer times. But it's a beautiful. I would love to actually pray here. You know, it's something unique. I never seen it like that. Was a place and drinking water. This gentleman, I did have a picture with him. Said hello. But today, I'm just capturing it. These are the steps I went up actually. But they do test you. Like, I will go on top, follow my footstep, what I did that day. harbour to myself. That's a very modern way of putting a solar panel on top, so the light comes on probably at night, so very cost effective. I think these are all boating. I think they might catch fish on these trawlers. It looks like a fish net here, and some fish nets in those boats as well. This is like proper filter kitchen. But I'm sure I've seen fishing is not allowed. Either these people take a risk or what? Very clear water, you can see when fish coming near or not. Look at the steps. Did I miss this single thing? Oh, it's a telephone here. It's before them have different designs, and what they have put these little beads in there, different color beads. So there's a beautiful piece of art, I would say that. Some like cul-de-sac dead end. Wa alaikum salam. Yeah. Just looking. As you can see, the streets are really slope, you can see from there to here. If you like the video, please visit and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can receive the notification whenever I upload new videos. There will be more interesting videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.